the mysmp.com Elliott Wave Introduction course, we're going to be talking about the third wave extension. Now, the third wave extension is the most common impulsive wave type. When you look at many websites or books, you'll notice that they have an ideal or a perfect path of the impulsive wave structure, and you'll notice that the third wave is generally the wave that's extended. This is because the third wave impulsive formation is the strongest. So, in terms of relationship between wave 3 and wave 1 and wave 3 and wave 5, these rules really don't apply because this wave really has no boundaries. So it's extremely powerful. The wave 3, it must be greater than 161.8% of wave 1. That's really the only real hard requirement, if you will. And wave 3, of course, has to be the longest wave in this formation, but there aren't really many rules in terms of how the waves should relate to each other. They may give you clues if wave 2 retraces more than 61.8% of wave 1, that ultimately wave 5 will be a failure wave. And if wave 4 retraces more than 38.2% of wave 3, then odds are wave 5 will be a terminal wave. But there's no way of really saying, oh, well, at this point wave 3 should stop because it's just that impulsive. So if you're looking to jump on a trend or get off of a trend, if you notice that the counter move is starting for wave 3, this is really the importance of it. You just need to be able to identify a wave 3 extension because it is the most powerful formation of all. Alright, so how do you identify a wave 3 extension? With all that said, I know it's pretty vague, the simplest way to identify a wave 3 extension is to draw a simple channel. Now in this channel, the wave 3 at some point should come out of the resistance area or support if you're in a bear market. So it may not completely blow it out, but you should see some sort of penetration. And of course, wave 3 in relation to wave 1 should be much larger. And you'll be able to identify that as you see the formation play out. But no matter how many touch points are used to draw the trend lines, there should be a parallel trend line or channel drawn. You see a lot of technicians or Elliottians draw these wedge formations, diamond formations, and while these may be applicable to other trading styles, within the wave 3 extension, you want to just keep it simple and have a channel, and you should be able to see the third wave.